Hi everyone, welcome back to another exciting episode of Bio IT series. Today we are diving deep into the fascinating world of bioinformatics, a field that is revolutionizing our understanding of life itself with the biological data. Let's embark on this bioinformatics journey together. Before we delve into bioinformatics, let's start with the basic. What exactly is bioinformatics? Well, in a simple term, bioinformatics is a combination of biology and computer science and information technology. It's like computer science of biology, allowing us to analyze, interpret, and make sense of biological data. These are few of the application and the sector where bioinformatics is playing significant role. The first amazing application of bioinformatics we are going to explore is genomic sequencing. Imagine having a large blueprint of organism DNA. Bioinformatics tools are used to read, assemble, and analyze these DNA sequencing and code. A prime example is the Human Genome Project, which took over a decade to decode the entire human genome. This massive undertaking paved the way for personalized medicine, disease understanding, and so much more. Another crucial application of bioinformatics is in the drug discovery sector. Pharmaceutical company uses computational technique to sift through vast databases of chemical compounds and predict how they might interact with the target protein in the body. These speed up the development of new medicines and save countless lives. Just think of the time and the resources saved in the fight against diseases like cancer and neurological disorders and infectious diseases. Bioinformatics also allow us to compare the DNA of different species, known as comparative genomics. By studying the similarities and differences, scientists and bioinformaticians can uncover the evolutionary relationship between organisms. For example, studying the genome of humans and chimpanzees has revealed fascinating insight into our shared ancestry and evolution. The next sector is functional genomics. Ever wonder what all these genes in your DNA do? Well, bioinformatics help us to decipher this mystery through the functional genomics. Researchers and data scientists use this computational tool to understand gene function, regulation, and how they contribute to various biological processes. This knowledge is vital for diseases like diabetes, cancer, or understanding how our body responds to the infection. And now one of my personal favorite is metagenomics. Have you ever wondered what millions of microorganisms is doing inside our gut? Bioinformatics make it possible to study entire ecosystem of microorganisms using DNA sequencing. This knowledge has revolutionized the field like microbiology and agriculture with the advent of sequence technology, especially the NGS. So there you have it, an overview of the incredible application of bioinformatics. It's truly a dynamic field that is pushing the boundaries of our understanding of the life and its mysteries. But before we wrap up the today's session, I want to ask you a favor. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, please consider hitting that subscribe button below. It is best way to stay updated with our exciting bioinformatics and biotechnology content. And don't forget to share this video with your scientific endeavor. Thank you so much for joining me today. Until next time, take care and stay curious. Thank you.